Welcome back, everyone. Today, we're venturing into the realm of essential home safety smoke detectors. These devices are more than just pieces of technology. They're silent guardians, ever vigilant, ever watchful. But have you ever stopped to wonder what's happening inside these little boxes that makes them so effective? That's what we're here to explore today. The science behind smoke detectors. Smoke detectors are marvels of modern science, designed to detect one of the earliest signs of danger: smoke. When a fire starts, it's not the flames that are the most immediate threat, but the smoke. It can fill a house within minutes, obscuring vision and causing disorientation. In the face of such a hazard, every second counts. That's where smoke detectors come in. They provide valuable early warnings, giving us precious time to evacuate and call for help. Smoke detectors utilize two main technologies to detect smoke particles: photoelectric and ionization. Let's delve into how these technologies work and the types of fires they're most sensitive to. First, photoelectric detection. Imagine a beam of light traveling in a straight path, undisturbed. Now introduce smoke into the equation. The smoke particles scatter this light beam, disrupting its path. This disruption is detected by a light-sensitive sensor, and voila, the alarm is triggered. The advantage here is that photoelectric detectors are more sensitive to slow-burning, smoldering fires that produce a lot of smoke, the kind that might sneak up on you while you're dreaming away in the middle of the night. Now let's talk about ionization detection. This method uses a small, continuous electrical current flowing between two electrodes. When smoke enters the chamber, it disrupts this current, a change that doesn't go unnoticed. The alarm sounds, alerting you of the danger. Ionization detectors are particularly good at detecting fast-burning fires that produce smaller smoke particles. Think of a grease fire in the kitchen that quickly engulfs everything. So, which one to choose? Well, it's not a competition. Both detectors offer valuable protection. However, ionization detectors might be suitable for kitchens or areas prone to smoke from cooking, as they are less likely to trigger false alarms. Both types of detectors offer valuable protection, but selecting the right one might depend on your specific needs. You see, for bedrooms or other sleeping areas, photoelectric detectors might be preferable. These detectors are usually more sensitive to slow-burning fires, which often occur at night when we're blissfully unaware. On the other hand, ionization detectors might be more suitable for kitchens or areas prone to smoke from cooking. These detectors are less likely to trigger false alarms from burnt toast or that forgotten pot on the stove. But remember, no matter the type, it's absolutely crucial to install smoke detectors in every sleeping area and outside each bedroom. Always follow the manufacturer instructions and local building codes to ensure optimal protection. Now let's talk about maintenance. Like any other device, smoke detectors need some TLC to stay in top shape. Even the best detectors become useless if not maintained properly. So here's a quick maintenance checklist for you. First, test your smoke detectors monthly using the test button. Second, replace the batteries annually, or as per the manufacturer's instructions. Third, clean the detectors regularly with a vacuum cleaner to remove dust and debris. And last but definitely not least, never disable or remove batteries from smoke detectors. By choosing the right detector and keeping up with regular maintenance, you'll ensure that these silent guardians are always ready to protect you and your loved ones. Understanding the science of smoke detectors empowers us to make informed choices and maintain these vital safety devices. We've delved into the intricacies of how they function, exploring the two main technologies they employ: photoelectric and ionization detection. Remember, selecting the right detector depends on your specific needs, whether it's for a bedroom or a kitchen. We've also emphasized the importance of keeping these devices in top-notch condition through regular testing, battery replacement, and cleaning. A well-maintained smoke detector is your first line of defense against potential fire hazards. Early detection in fire emergencies is crucial, providing us with that invaluable window of opportunity to evacuate and seek help. It's about creating a safer environment for ourselves and our loved ones. Thanks for joining us today. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more insightful content on safety and science. Remember, prevention is key and knowledge is power.